Hi, this is a short video on how to remove communications from an LMT pilot helmet. The only tools you'll need will be a flathead screwdriver and a 2.5mm hex head screwdriver. First step to removing the communications is to loosen the ear cups into the center of the helmet. Unsnap the 4 snaps on both sides of the helmet. Undo the Velcro strap on the back side of the ear cup. Next step is to remove the Velcro strap from underneath the impact liner and loosen the 2 straps holding it on. You can just remove the liner for ease of taking the communications out. Using the hex head screwdriver, remove the screw and P-clamp located on the left side of the helmet. Then move all communications out of the helmet onto the side. And then using the flathead screwdriver, unscrew the screw located on the back side of the microphone boom. And that is how you remove the communications from an LMT pilot helmet.